Marlin's digital switcher system uses the latest technology in electronics to control electrical loads on a boat. Our prototype boat process takes away all the headaches for the boat builder, ensuring a smooth integration of Marlin's technology into production along with an enhanced customer experience on the boat. Traditionally, boat builders were left to figure out how to install electronics on their boats. The systems seemed complicated, hard to configure, needed custom wiring harnesses, and the builder was left to figure it all out on their own. As a result, many builders just stayed with rocker switches, fuse panels, and tons of wiring. This left their customers feeling like the controls on the boat were outdated and basic. In contrast, when a builder incorporates Marlin's digital switcher system, the support delivered by Marlin's field team makes all the difference. One of the first steps is a joint prototype boat build. For this experience, the Marlin team spends 2 to 4 days on site at the builder, working side by side with the builder's team to iron out any wrinkles, optimize wiring and harnesses, and be sure the switcher system is configured exactly right for each boat model. Along the way, the builder's team is trained in how to get the most out of the Marlin switcher system, as well as how to support their dealer networks and end users. With all this support, the builder reduces the boat's wiring and wiring labor, often by as much as 4 to 12 hours per boat. Because of that, the builder can increase their factory throughput and decrease their cost per boat. Marlin's switcher kit includes the switcher itself, which can be expanded with additional control units if more capacity is needed. Legend Series keypads include 6-button, 8-button, and 12-button units with each button illuminated exactly as the builder wants, and can include Bluetooth connectivity. Up to 6 keypads can be used throughout the boat, working together. An MFD gateway can link the digital switcher to a multi-function display, so the customer can operate everything on the boat the way that they want. Marlin even has a range of wiring harnesses to simplify installation and connections. With Marlin's switcher system in place, the end customers have a better boating experience using up-to-date controls. The builder reduces wiring labor, along with a great reduction in possible failure points due to corrosion over the boat's lifetime. When you combine Marlin Technology's digital switcher system with our prototype boat build, our customers have the best, fastest route to production and improved customer satisfaction. Why wait? Schedule your prototype boat installation with the Marlin team today.